All right.
Tara, let's go.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to refill.
So, what are we doing? What materials are we using? What's that?
This is the white tea, the black. So, tapos ko na white, black.
Dark gray,
Dark gray.
dark gray, and light black. How many times have you printed these?
So many times.
How many? Take your
Yeah.
guess. 10 times? 20 times?
Cuando tomes tu café, toma tu café con caña que solo la caña da aroma. Cuando tomes tu café, toma tu café con caña da aroma con azúcar y con caña.
Just like a photo cut.
What's that?
Photo emotion. This is picture. Let's make the paint stabilizer.
Huh?
Stabilization the fabric. This is light black.
Cuando tomes tu café, toma tu café con caña que solo la caña da aroma. Cuando tomes tu café, toma tu café con caña da aroma con azúcar y con caña.
How long is this waistband?
Small is 25. So supposed to be this. Center, right? Off center. So we need to make it off center. So we have 2-inch far away from the side. So my paint is started here.
Yeah.
Basic.
That's fine. Let me get the other sample. We have to compare it. I think that might be our light black color.
Yeah, light black.
Two variants, two darker variants, so just darker than that. And then,
Okay.
we should take print orders. And start a print shop.
Yeah.
Screen print only. It's rare. You can find all kinds of
printing is rare here
heat
because
press and
yeah.
vinyl cut, acrylic, big machines, but just straight up old school, permanent, stable, just rough and tumble, the kind of prints that are on the shirt from like the 70s, just those hand-done screen print. Ink goes into the fabric and it stays. That real shit, that's here. It's hard to find. It takes time. And the equipment is expensive, the chemicals expensive, the multitude of colors. It's not like machine printing where you just get like a printer, you got your 3-color pack and your black, and you put that in your machine and it prints whatever. We hand mix every color, the specific amounts of solutions we need to make the ink stick, depends on the fabric that we use. So it's a real art to this that we actually never intended to get into, but just in order to assure the quality and schedule of production for the type of clothes that we make for people, higher end stuff. We only make high end clothing. So the high end clothing requires high end techniques. Which, unless you are a very specialized shop, you just have to do it yourself. Unless we could find a specialized shop that just does screen printing, they'd have all the doohickeys and the machines, the turntables and the stable and blah 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 blah. Yes, of course that would be wonderful, and they could probably do it way better than us. But that's a needle in a haystack. It's like the clothes we make are on the same, on the level of the big fashion houses, and that's what's unique about Dream Wide. nationwide design. We have set up a shop using the same techniques, employees, machines, processes as those giant factories, as the big players in the fashion world, except we don't have a fashion brand. So using all of the same resources that Chanel or Gucci or Balenciaga, that in-house design, handmade, that attention to detail that you get only from a dedicated team, dedicated to your product. All of that same stuff, you get it. You can get it, and you get it for the same prices that they do. So that's what's unique here.